In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Evernote local data location step by step and how to restore the default location if you ever need to switch it back. This is really useful if your main drive is getting full, or if you want Evernote's offline cache and local application data stored on another drive for better space management. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Evernote on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click your profile icon. This opens your account and app options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll want to open the Application tab. This is where Evernote keeps the storage and local data controls. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Evernote Local Data. This section controls where Evernote stores its local files, including the offline cache and other app data on your device. When you find it, click Change Location. Evernote will then ask you to choose a new folder. At this point, browse to the folder or drive where you want Evernote to store its local data. You can choose a folder on another internal drive, a secondary SSD, or any location that makes sense for your setup. Once you've selected the folder, confirm the change. After that, Evernote may prompt you to restart the app so the new location can take effect. If you see a restart prompt, go ahead and close and reopen Evernote. That helps the app apply the new local data path properly. Once it relaunches, your local Evernote data should now be using the new location you selected. Now, if you ever want to switch everything back to the original default location, that's easy too. Go back into Settings, then open the Application tab again. Under Evernote, Local Data, click Make Default. This tells Evernote to return the local data storage to its standard default path. Just like before, you may be asked to restart Evernote to finish the change. One important thing to remember is that changing the local data location does not move your actual notes out of your Evernote account. Your notes stay synced in the cloud and continue working normally. What changes is only the offline cache and local application data stored on your computer. So this is a safe way to free up space on your system drive without affecting your synced content. This can be especially helpful if you use Evernote heavily, keep a lot of offline content, or simply want more control over where your apps store their files. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference on computers with limited storage. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the Evernote local data location and how to restore the default location whenever you want. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.